This is Bharti. I am here to explain my project Bluetooth Control Robot Car. So let me explain the component which I have used in this project. The very first component is chassis, which I will use to connect all the components. Second one is motor driver. Third is Arduino Uno, Bluetooth module, breadboard, two wheels, two DC motors, and wire to connect the DC motors, two clips, and two rechargeable batteries. This is caster wheel to connect at this part of the chassis, and jumper wires. This Bluetooth module helps to connect the Arduino Uno and the Android application. Arduino Uno acts as the CPU of the whole components, and motor driver helps to amplify the voltage. This is the circuit diagram of our project. Here I have connected the TX pin of the Arduino Uno to the RX pin of Bluetooth module, and RX pin of Arduino Uno to the TX pin of the Bluetooth module. And the 10 to 13 pins of the Arduino Uno are connected to the motor drivers M1A, M1B, M2A and M2B. The 12 volt pin of the motor driver is connected to the battery's positive voltage, and the ground pin is connected to the negative voltage to the battery, and the 5 volt pin is of the motor driver is connected to the Bluetooth module. Next is the Arduino Uno also requires some power, so I have connected 9 volt battery to Arduino Uno also. Then 5 volt pin of this Arduino Uno is connected to the Bluetooth module, and ground pin also connected to the ground pin of the Bluetooth module. Next is two motor drivers. Two motors are connected to the motor drivers. These two motors are DC motors. Let's connect all the components. Here I have stick the breadboard to the chassis, Arduino Uno, motor driver and rechargeable batteries. I have connected all these components on the chassis. The other components, two tires on the two DC motors I have connected, and two wires I have connected to the motor driver. I have done all the connections, and let's connect the batteries to the connections. I have uploaded this program in Arduino Uno using the USB cable. So we have to connect the Bluetooth module with our mobile phone. To connect the Bluetooth module, I have downloaded Bluetooth RC controller in my Android smartphone. So let's connect the Bluetooth module. Firstly, click on this button, connect to car. Bluetooth module's number is HC05. So this green button shows that it has been connected and the LED light on Bluetooth has started blinking after 1 second. Let me show how it works. Bluetooth module to my Android smartphone. Let's start its working. As I press the forward button, it starts moving in the forward direction. If I press the reverse direction button, then it will move. If I press the right button, it will move right and left to the left. Forward, right, forward. So this is the block diagram according to which the project works. Firstly, we will download an application which is named as Arduino IDE in the Android smartphone. And according to this application, if we send a value, like if we press the button of forward, then this value will be sent to the Bluetooth module after the connection between the Android smartphone and Bluetooth module. This value will be received by the Arduino Uno through the RX pin. So forward, if the value is forward, then Arduino Uno will receive this value and it will process on this value according to the programming which is pre in this Arduino Uno. This value will be sent to the motor driver. This motor driver will then send this value to the motors, according to which motor either moves in the forward direction. If the value is forward, then motors will move in the forward direction. If the value is a reverse direction, then it will move in the reverse direction. As you have seen that how it works, so talking about its application part, it can be used as a luggage, as a toy car, as a spine, and as a army purposes. Thank you.